Hello guys, welcome to my second part of the channel, for the second part of the tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to create a torchlight and also I'll be teaching you how to collect from small bushes and stuff. So the first thing we want to do is the torchlight. So what we need to do is go to the inventory, which is pressing B as in boy, and then you will click RB, and there's going to be a picture of it. Now, one thing to consider is if you see it highlighted in dark blue in a way, it means you can craft it. So the torch is right there. What we do is click RT, craft one, it says right there on the menu. So we click it. Again, we click LB to go back. Or you can just drag it here with your left joystick. So it's good. And then if you want to put it on your inventory, you can. Or you can just press RT from here. And there you go. So if you want to turn it off, you go back to your inventory, which is B. And then you press RT again. And when you go exit, you won't have it. So there you go. Now to collect stuff, I didn't teach you how to do that. You will hold the Y button if you're having the Xbox control. If you're on a PlayStation, that'll be the triangle. If you hold triangle, either way, it's in the description on the first video, so that's good. So what we want to do now is collect small bushes. If you ask me which bushes you can collect, they're gonna look something like that one over there. Let me teach you. Like this kind of bushes you can collect. If you're playing ARK, this is the only bush you can collect anyway. So what you do is you get close to the bush and you start holding Y. Oh, so you hold Y, hold it, and in between that you're gonna be collecting stone, I guess. So that's good. So we wanna hold this. Now these bushes will give you berries and also fiber, which is important. And since I'm on the game already, might as well craft notes. If you wanna just write a diary, you can just click right there. And I'm not going to make it, but for you guys I will. So what you need is one fiber, as it says right there, and one thatch, and three thatch, right? So you click RT only once, and you write a little note here. Normally, you can write recipes with it. I'm not really familiar with it, but that'll be another tutorial for it. So, and then you go to your inventory, and this is where you can find it. Okay, so this is good, and so that's how you do it, guys. I'm also gonna be teaching you um, how to organize your inventory. What I mean by that is, if you go here, it's gonna say sort by, and then you click A, and then you're gonna click alphabetical. To me, it's easier like this, so that way I know um, the names of the berries and stuff. So to me, this is good. Organizing it by the name of things or the type also could also be a good idea. But you guys play with it. That's up to you how you guys want to organize it. So I'm gonna go back to this. So there you go, guys. This is how you survive in ARK, and I hope you like my videos, and I hope you stay safe and have a beautiful day. See you in the next tutorial.